Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find permissions on role settings on your account on Discord. Easy and quick. First click here and now click settings and now click roles. Now click here. Here as you see you will find it, you will find permissions, and now you can manage your permissions role settings as you want. And that's it. That's how to find permissions role settings on your account on Discord. Easy and quick. And that's it for today. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.